Another big tech company is on the move. The company that makes smartphones for Google and Mac Pros for Apple is making efforts to move manufacturing back to the U.S. It's called onshoring, and Jon Fortt has our story tonight.
It's become an article of faith in America these days. Manufacturing jobs that have gone overseas can't come back. American workers cost too much and don't have the cutting-edge skills to build the latest gadgets. But what if that's all wrong? In just the past month, Apple and Google had both announced products they plan to make here. Apple's is a high-end computer.
It is designed by brilliant engineers in California and assembled here in the USA.
It's a fantastic device that we want to get into the hands of many people as we
Google's a risky new smartphone we haven't seen yet.
For Google, it's a major gamble. If it succeeds, Made in America is a major selling point for a cutting-edge new phone. If it fails, American dreams and real American jobs are at stake.
Well, certainly it will boost morale. I mean, I think that a lot of people for a long time were kind of economic determinists. They assumed that our jobs, particularly our low-skill jobs, were all going to go abroad to the lowest wage countries. And that was never wholly the case. But when manufacturing does start coming back, people's hopes will get up.
Flextronics, the contract manufacturer, will be building both Apple's Mac Pro and Google's Motorola X phone, both due later this year. Why make them in the U.S.? The cost of labor is rising in countries like China and Malaysia, for one. And as innovators like Tesla have shown, when there's a brand new high-margin product that needs close attention, sometimes it's worth it to have it crafted close to home.
We're seeing a lot of work move into places like Texas, where we put up the Moto X factory, and as well into North Carolina, South Carolina. In these kind of places, the governments are very aggressive at improving regulation so it's more pro-business, and at the same time keeping taxes down and really working to stimulate jobs.
It'll probably take years for this story to play out, for us to see whether tech really can bring American manufacturing jobs back long term. But this initial chapter is key. If names as big as Apple and Google can't succeed at this, chances are the others won't be able to either. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Jon Fortt.